Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a little baby jungle safari cake. So just something very easy, and I'll just show you how I did it. So here's all my colors, I already pre-colored them. I'm using my crusting buttercream, and again the only tip I'm gonna use is the rose tip. I'm gonna do some elephant face, and I'm gonna use the rose tip for the ears. And here's the cake, I already iced it. Again, I'm gonna leave the link for the buttercream icing in the description box, and let's start decorating. So in the middle of the cake, on top, I'm gonna have this message. It's I rolled a piece of white fondant, and I wrote message on top with buttercream. And I'm gonna lay it right across so it will look kind of like a blanket laying over the animals, and I'm gonna pipe 3 animals on top. All right, so kind of eyeball it. I'm gonna divide this space that I have in 3, kind of like where my heads will go. So 1 in the middle and 1 on each side. Okay, so kind of like that. And I'm gonna start with my middle part. So I'm gonna pipe elephant face, so ears will go first. So just using rose tip, go ahead and pipe it, and the skinny part of the tip goes outside. Okay, so the ear kind of will look skinny. And again, because it's crusting icing, so I can use my paper towel trick to smooth things out, just like so. And then I have another bag. I'm gonna just cut the tip off. It's the same color icing, only I'll just use it no tip at all. And let's go ahead and pipe the head. So gonna keep squeezing, make it shape, and have the trunk out as well. And the little feet will stick out like from under the blanket. All right, and again, go ahead and pat down all the parts in the icing that's not too smooth, and kind of flatten it a little bit, but not too much. I do want it to stick out, kind of 2D effect, okay? And here's my black icing. I'm gonna pipe a little eyes, just like that. And here's my elephant. And let's do the other animals as well. So next one will be giraffe, just like that. And then I'm gonna do lion face on the other side. All right, let's do it. All right, let's now decorate sides. So because it is jungle-ish baby theme, so let's do some branches. And I'm just gonna use brown icing, just like that. Just not too much so it will be overwhelmed, just a little bit. So some branches, and I have green icing again, no tip, and I just cut bag at the corner, just like so. And I'm gonna pipe some leaves. You can always use any your favorite leaf tip, it will work just as good. But I don't use tip right now. Just like that. And sorry guys, my angle wasn't great in this. But hopefully you can still get an idea what I'm doing here. Alright, so that should do it for this cake. I think it turned out pretty cute. Here's all my buttercream animals. So the only fun one is the message. And next video I'm gonna show you how I made the set of matching cupcakes. And that's it for now. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, love you so much.